Imagine coming home after a long day only to realize your AC isn't working. Nightmare, right? Today we are in JBR, Dubai, helping residents and businesses stay cool with expert AC services. Welcome to day 7 of growing Happy Brother air conditioning while building our social media presence. Our first stop is a luxury apartment in JBR where the client reported that their AC was not cooling properly. After inspection, we found low refrigerant levels, a common issue in high rise building. A quick gas refill and the cool air was back. Next, we visited a beachfront cafe where the staff was struggling with water leakage from their AC unit. Turns out the drain line was clogged, causing water to overflow. A thorough cleaning of the drainage system fixed the issue, making sure customers enjoy their coffee in comfort. Over the past 7 days, our social media has been steadily growing. Now we have 77 followers on LinkedIn with 190 impressions, and Instagram is holding strong at 202 followers with 225 views. YouTube is picking up with 701 views and 5 new subscribers, while Facebook has reached 27 followers with 264 views. TikTok is still at 0 with 1 view. But every journey starts somewhere. The sport so far has been amazing, and I appreciate everyone who has been following along. We are making progress every day. Some platforms are growing faster than others, but this is just the beginning. If you are in JBR, Dubai Marina, or nearby areas and need AC repair and maintenance services, reach out today. Let's keep Dubai cool. Like, share, subscribe. See you tomorrow for day 8.